All right, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Another day. Another day. Another day. Another day. I am definitely going to be seeing what happens today. Hmm. Actually, I do want to see what happens here. Uh, uh, hmm. All right. All right. Because I think this might be a bigger move. Huh. Huh. I guess we'll see. Ah. 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 All right. So I'm always here, baby. It's time to make this money for sure. I think I may have cheated myself, though. I think I may have cheated myself. I was going to take this short at 328, but I think I'm going to wait until the 9 o'clock news. I'm going to wait until the 9 o'clock news. I'm just going to watch the market until then because it does look like we are trending up. It does look like we are trending. 305. So we didn't get that pullback. I was kind of sad about that. How the market just went straight up overnight, just basically trending. So we're in a trending environment. Usually, when the market trends, that means the market is trying to get somewhere. It doesn't have time for the price action, it's trying to get somewhere. So, our job is to determine where the market is trying to get to. That's what we have to determine today. There's a lot of levels where the market can go. I feel like they're trying to trap people here. This is a great area to go short. This is an absolute great area to go short right here. The reason why I'm saying that this is a great area to go short is because that 328 level that we talked about last night, that was a previous area of rejection on a higher time frame chart. I kind of felt that if price was not going to stop at 325 or 323, that price was going to get up here to this 328 level. And hopefully nobody fell for that 318 trap. We talked about this last night. Hopefully nobody fell for this because I just knew that this was going to happen. I knew that you can see that people tried to short here at 318 on the ES, and you can see that their stops getting ran to move this market higher. So hopefully nobody got trapped at 318. So we do got a high at 39. We do have that high. I don't know if they're going to want to take out that high today. However, I feel if we get into that 35 range, If we can get into that 35 range, I think 34 to 35, I think that may be an area where we can see a potential area where bears can come in and we can get a short opportunity. And you can see that there are people starting to build positions in that 35 to 36 range. Surprisingly, there's nobody at 39. Surprisingly, at least not yet. Uh, so let's see. I was going to take this short at 38, but let's see what the outcome would have been if I did take it. Right now, if I went short at 38 or 28 like I wanted to, I think I'll only be up about 5-6 points. However, yeah, I probably should have took that short at 28. God dang it. But like I said, we'll just wait for the news. And the results from our last night meeting, you can see that I think it touched 797 to the T and dumped. It dumped about 30 points. Yeah, we got a 30-point play from our area from last night's meeting, and I think it actually went up to 816 to the T. It rejected at 816. And that's about like a 30-point play right there too. So if you missed this first opportunity to go short, I mean, we got two plays that both netted about 30 points. So that's another win for the NA meeting on the Nasdaq. And the level at 328, I guess, is working, at least for right now. It's short at 328. Damn it, I should have took it. Huh. This will be a risky trade. This will be definitely a risky trade. And like I said, I would never recommend to ever take a trade like this. However, I do believe that they may come in at this 318 to 316 level. I think the bulls are going to come in right here. And they're going to push the market right back up. Okay. So as we wait for this, yeah, I think we may get a bounce here. 316, possibly here at this 316, because I see this low right here. And I think they're going to want to protect this low or at least double bottom it at 315. So they might come in, yeah, probably, yeah, somewhere in here. All right, but we'll see. All right, for the NQ. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if they use this level to bounce it, actually. I really wouldn't be surprised. But the environment is definitely bullish. You can see over on the hourly chart that price has basically been trending higher using the 21 EMA as support. You can see that the bulls are starting to exhaust up this high. The market may pull back, or depending on what the news says, we can possibly see a price push into this area right here. And then we can see what happens from there. Okay, I just saw something. And I'm probably gonna, I just saw something. Hmm. $321. I mean, basically that was it right there. So it's not really a big a deal. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. I guess we're just gonna have to wait until. So yeah, so the ADP employment change, we had a forecast of 175K. It came out to 152K. So that would probably explain the bullish move up that we saw. I think the best thing that's ever happened and the worst thing has ever happened is the deep dive into human psychology. The reason why I say that is a good and bad thing, well, the bad thing. I mean, as you read this headline, they like to inject words that kind of throw you off, like what it says. The labor market is solid, but we're monitoring notable pockets of weakness. So they're telling you the truth and lying to you at the same time, but you don't. The most thing that people are going to notice is this and say, okay, at least it's solid, but at the same time, we are monitoring the weakness that's obvious to everybody else. So it's believe what I say and not what you see type bullshit. And I'm starting to see a lot of politicians use this type of language when they speak to keep everybody asleep at the wheel, apparently. But this shows that there has been slower growth, obviously. It came in under expectation, and that just adds fuel to this. The Feds will cut rate fire that we're seeing. So they did came in at 318. Let's see what they do. Damn, what the fuck was that? What was that just now? They swiped the liquidity up above this high. What just happened? Did we just have news or something? Oh, yeah, 8:45. Okay, so this came in as expected. This came in above expectation, so that shows expansion right here. It shows expansion. Oh, okay, that's something totally different. That was okay. Says BOT continue evidence that underlying inflation is easing. Monetary policy no longer needs to be as restrictive. Hmm. 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 I mean, basically, I mean, it showed you right there. So we had that move right there. We had that move right there. Even though the market is trying to sell off, the bulls are again not letting the market sell off. The bulls are not letting the market sell off right now. Hmm. Okay, so let's see what happens. I'm still looking at that 316 level. $316 to $314. Yeah, I got to put that in my journal. I got to put this in my journal now. I definitely was going to get in short here at 28. And it would have been a great trade too. It would have been a great trade. I guess, but the reason why I didn't take this trade, even though we talked about it, was because of all this bullishness, and I wanted to wait. I didn't want to lose a position because I was impatient. However, it does appear that for at least for right now, this has turned out to be a great trade. We already hit our 10-point target. Or actually, no, we didn't. No, we didn't. Actually, no, we haven't yet. Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Yeah, I definitely have to put this in my journal. We missed out on a great trade. Great freaking trade right here, man. Great trade. Great freaking trade. Hmm. Mhm. All right, so it touched 14. All right, so mm, let's see if we can get shit. Okay. Okay. Shit. Okay. All right. All right. I guess your boy Sharm is I must be off. I must be off. My execution is I'm sitting here calling out these levels and I'm not executing right now. Hmm. All right. All right, so let's try to look for the next opportunity. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. All right, we got 5 minutes into the algo. $14, $12, $12. Okay. All right. So I think a great risk reward trade is, so if, let's just say the news comes out and we do get a dump, I'm going to be looking for price to either hit 312. So we got this low at 305. I think they may try to protect this low at least. 305, 308. So from 310 to 308, I want to see if I can, if we get a crash down, I want to see if I can get in somewhere in this area right here. And this would be a great risk reward trade because this, I don't have to, I mean, I guess I could risk the 10 points, but if it goes below this low right here, most likely I'm wrong. So this would be a great risk reward trade. So you're saying, says, are you delusional or is there a 4 hour fair value gap above where we're at? A 4 hour fair value gap. So again, I don't necessarily trade fair value gaps. I don't trade them, but I'll see what you're talking about. So you're saying a 4 hour fair value gap. Are you talking about this, right? No, that's not a fair value gap. I don't think it is. What are you talking about? So from which level are you talking about? What levels are you talking about? Damn it. Okay. Man, that was a great trade. This was a great trade. Oh, you mean to the downside? On the 4 hour? Okay, okay, hold on. We tripping. God damn it! Ah! Okay. I don't know what the hell is going on today. I don't know what the hell is going on today. Why am I missing these moves? What the hell is going on? Damn. Damn. Okay. I don't know what's going on today. Like I see these moves, but for some reason I am not executing on them. Damn. Damn. Okay. I think that's going to be the best move right there. I that's going to be. I mean, if we can get lucky, I don't think we're going to get lucky on this one. We're not getting lucky on this. If we can have price pull back, let's see if we can get 3010. Damn, it tapped 305. It tapped 305. It went up. What is it? 305. And it went 1 point underneath this swept this liquidity, and now is moving up. Yeah, I think that's going to be the best trade right there. I was actually looking at that, but I didn't think they was going to actually touch this like this. And again, that 28 level, that's why. Yeah, today I'm just going to have to write all this stuff in my journal. I've missed all this price action. I missed it. I don't know what the hell is going on right now. I missed it. Damn it. Mm, mm, mm. Let's see. If we can get if we can get a 310 entry, nah. Uh, we'll see. Because I don't think they come back down here. I think the most that we'll probably get, if we're lucky, is a 310 to 309. I mean, do they go to 7? No, I don't think they go to 7. I think the most we get is a 309, 3010 entry if we can get it. If we can get it. Mm. So, let's actually look at this before we actually take the trade, though. So ISM services. So it grew in May. So the services grew, and I don't think the market is going to like that. It says that registered 5.38%, indicating sector expansion for the 46th time in the last 48 months. So the market may not like that. I may not like that. Mm, mm. Okay. All right, guys. Yeah, I think we missed it. This was the best trade for the day. We missed it. If we can get a pullback in this area, then we have a chance. Because 305, it got to the high of 319. This is another good trade. So, huh. Wow. Yeah, wow. She goes up. Hopefully we can get a pullback. Hopefully we can get a pullback, a decent pullback. But if not, then we have to wait for another opportunity. Wow. Wow. So yeah, I don't think they come back to 307. I don't think they do. I mean, we got all this buying. All right, so let's see. All right, so we got to 311. Let's see what they do here. No, I can't do that. We got to limit into this because this is going to probably be nice to me. Be nice. Be nice. Be nice. Be nice to me. Be nice. Mm. 310. $94. Yeah, if I'm wrong on this trade, I guess I'll just stop trading for the day because obviously I am completely off. I guess that's my fault. Okay. Nice. Okay. All right. Whatever, dude. Whatever. All right. So 307. I'm just gonna put this right here. I'm gonna put this right here. 308. You said that the dollar is up? It's definitely making a retracement back into this area right here at 104.5. If the dollar doesn't see a rejection here, well, actually, I think a better short would be here at 104.6. And I think that this is probably more likely where bears will come back in. I mean, they can come in here, but I think this is where they'll trap bears and they'll run it up here. This maybe NQ would drop. NQ does look like it's going to drop. It looks that way. And I definitely would agree with you. But I see a strong low right here. I see a strong low. Hmm. All right, guys. All right. All right. Okay. Okay. 950. Hmm. All right. So let me really look at what's going on. So at least on the ES, we got that bounce. We got a double bottom at that 306 level. Huh. I guess we could see that. We do have some consolidation, so, but then we already tapped into that already. Oh, that's not right. Yeah, that went to 306, so that's not right. That's not right. Hmm. We missed out on a 28-point play. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to put this here at this level right here, 303. I mean, honestly, I mean, if it pushes past this low, I mean, I guess it could do that. But honestly, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay. Hmm. Did I spell that right? Okay. That doesn't look right. Okay. Damn. Okay. All right. So that kind of happened really fast. That was a quick 14 points from top to bottom. That was a quick 14 points. I mean, I guess it could. 304, 302. All right. So where do you plan on taking this trade? So, hmm, okay. So we did plan. What did I say? I think we said something around 310 to 38, around like 310 or 309 to 307, I think. I think that's what we said. 309 to 307. Uh, I'm not sure. Mhm. Okay. All right. So unfortunately, so far we've missed both trades on the Nasdaq. We missed both trades on the Nasdaq so far. I'm pretty sure there's going to be other opportunities that's going to present itself. However, at least for right now, we're going to have to wait because price is literally in the middle, and we're not going to trade this long or short, or at least I'm not going to. There's no risk reward in this trade, even if. Oh yeah, hold on. Damn it. Yeah, the beauties of having a daughter, and just take your things because they think it's theirs. Okay. So, all right. Yeah, we missed it, man. That's another great trade. So I allowed this trade right here because I missed it, because I thought too long about it. I was actually going to take this trade. We actually talked about this trade in last night's NA meeting about 328 might be in a possible area that the bears will come in and reject price down. However, the reason why I hesitated on this trade was obviously because of all this bullish. You can see that price was trending up. And once price reached this level, what I didn't want to do was get myself and everybody else caught in this trade. So that was the main reason why I didn't take it, because I wasn't sure. And bearish price action is literally 50-50 at this point. So what I was waiting for, what I wanted to see was, I was hoping that we got this drop. The bears or the bulls come back in, and I would have taken that trade. That trade would have been a safer trade to take. I would have been more comfortable taking it that way, and then letting it run down. But because this trade actually did not play out that way, we got a straight V bottom almost. I'm not going to lie, I did allow this trade to kind of affect how I saw the market. And when I was looking for a long opportunity down here, I didn't expect the market to do this, where it straight up did another V bottom almost. I was going to get in right here, but for some strange reason, I moved my target down, and we missed another trade. So obviously, I'm allowing this missed trade right here to affect, because we missed this trade, that trade, even this follow-up trade. And all these trades netted over 15 points. So uh, hmm. Hmm. So you say you went on the 50 EMA. Hmm. I will say that if you went long, hmm, yeah, at this point, this is probably going up to 30, 32, 35. But at the same time, I do have to point out, I have to point this out. Price has to break above this range. We need to see this in order for this long to work here. We need to see that. Yeah, I don't think so. I don't, yeah, because this might be a strong high right now, because we got to remember that the reason why we identified this level last night was because this can be considered major supply. If we look at let's actually change over to the, so we can actually see this. Or what I guess I can do is switch to the Ninja Trader chart so we can look at the higher time frame on this one. All right, so this is the ES chart. All right, um, so just be mindful with the longs, because I mean, even though the momentum is bullish, we kind of are in bearish structure. But the bears have definitely shown weakness, so you may get lucky on this one. But I wouldn't make this a habit. So last night we talked about this 328 level being a potential area where the bears can come in, and this is obviously the reason why. You can see that from this level, we got this massive move down from this level up here. So as price gets back into this level, this move down should not be a surprise to anybody. However, this small move does dwarf this massive move down that we've seen from this level. We got a high right here at 339, basically 340. So it's obvious that there's bears in this area. There were enough bears to knock price down. And as price trades into this area, I do expect for bears to protect their position. I don't expect them to be successful, but I expect them to protect their position. If we get a run of this high at 39, which honestly, like I said, I kind of doubt. I think we may see some rejection at 35. I think price can possibly get to 35, possibly. Yeah, probably like 35. 35 or 33. Man, that hurts. Oh man, that hurts. That hurts. That hurts. That hurts. Not gonna lie. That hurts. Anyway, man, we missed two good trades, man. Two great trades. So I do expect for this high to get ran. I do expect for that to happen. And I do expect for price to get up into this 34, 32-ish range. What I could do, I could probably set a limit here at 33, probably 33. Have an additional limit here at this high at 39, and then have my stop possibly at 43. but probably give it 2 more points at 45. I can possibly do that. Because these bulls ain't playing. However, this is technically a double top. So this is what makes this tricky. I mean, the risk to reward in this trade, I feel that, I mean, we've got our drop from this level. I mean, even if we do get a pump here, and then we get another drop, I mean, where would it even go? Because it's, I mean, obviously we do have all this. I mean, we do have all these stops underneath this low. So we do have the stops, but I do think that this is going to possibly get ran. Yeah, I think the better trade would possibly be at 35. Excuse me. All right, let me look at this real quick. Let me look at this. So obviously today is self-sabotage day because we definitely had a limit here at 10. If I kept this limit here, obviously I would have been up 19 points right now. So this trade, 1, 2, 3. 3 trades. We missed 3 trades. 3 trades. So here's that stop run. Yeah, I'm thinking that 35, 33, 35 might actually be that level. Or, I mean, because, well, I mean, do they run this high? I mean, if they've run this high, they might as well just come up here.
Yo.
Yeah, what's up, man?
So, okay. Mistakes were made in pre-market.
Oh, okay.
Mistakes were made. But I was able to bounce back and come out with 2K. It should have been a lot more, but I got caught slipping.
Yeah, me too, man. Me too.
And that algo, that 9 o'clock algo was crazy on NQ.
Oh, damn, I didn't even look at NQ. God, I didn't look at it. Damn.
Bro.
Damn. God damn.
Bro, it's still going.
It's still going.
I'm gonna post a screenshot of my chart so y'all can see the mistakes that were made. But because I was originally short pre-market and it would have played out, and I'm like, man, I wasn't so confident in it. Even though, so I closed early, and once I closed, it started running. You know how that goes. And I got in chasing it, and then I got in too late chasing it. Then it started going long on NQ, and I was like, and I knew I was planning to catch the quick short and long. But like I said, delayed, and took a big hit, took a big L on that bounce. I thought they were going to take it a little bit lower than the bulls come in, but I was long biased. But I saw the short opportunity, and I don't know why I even tried to go after that when the longs was going to be the much better play. Clearly, look at the NQ chart.
Yeah. Yeah, the longs are just they're just absolutely relentless right now, man. They are absolutely being relentless. Yeah, like, dude, I missed about 60 points this morning. 60 points on the ES I missed. And I really don't know what the hell is going on. Like my execution for some reason was just so off this morning. It was crazy. I called the top, we called near the bottom, we called the follow-up trade, and I missed all of it. All of it. And I'm like, yo, what the hell is going on? Like, what's going on? But
Yeah.
I haven't revenge trade yet. I have not revenge trade yet. Should I miss one more trade? Shit. It's time to go nuclear, baby.
Time to go nuclear. That's what saved me. I stayed calm. I didn't revenge trade. I still came out, man. I came out with 2K on 2100 on the day. So total profit was 7. But I lost 3K. I lost 3,500.
3,500.
Yeah. On 52%. That's crazy that you could still make 2K on 52%.
I mean,
crazy. Half and half. I had 10 wins, 8 losses.
I guess my alternate version of myself, alternate Sherm, he's up right now. He's celebrating. He's going out for steak with his 60 points he just got. In the multi-universe, he's going out for steak right now because how well he traded. But yeah, so the NA meetings, the levels at the NA meetings, I mean, we caught 60 points on both plays. But she ran through this level. And she straight up ran through it. She said, yeah, bumped his second level.
Crazy work on it. I was like, yo. So I was looking to get out at like, I was going to front run 900, which I did. And I actually almost made a pivotal mistake too.
What's that?
With my contracts. So I was trying to close out of my position, and it was like 4 contracts, and I only had 1 left on the table. I was like, I immediately hit cancel because it was to go short. And I'm like, I'm definitely not trying to short. But it was to close out my position, my long position. I immediately. So that was kind of another blunder that I almost got wrecked on. I was going to have my target at 905, between 905 and 910, and then she kept running. Yo, longs can't. But then I'm like, I understand Nvidia. They trying to buy it up before that split.
Yeah. Yep. That's exactly what they're trying to do. So this is what I'm going to do in this play. He said what?
The Nvidia is up $33 right now.
Oh, is it? Yeah, that's just gonna run. I mean, it splits tomorrow. It definitely splits. Oh yeah, it splits tomorrow. It's gonna run up. Don't buy it. Don't buy it. Don't be foolish and buy it. Let that shit simmer down. Baby. Yeah, we buy dips, baby. Let it simmer down a little bit. It's gonna be a sell-off. It may not be the next day. It may not be the next week. But I promise you, it's going to sell off eventually. And then once it's like what I think, so if they split it, so it's going to be a 10 split. And where's it at right now? Like almost 1,200 for real?
Almost 1,200. We're $2 away from 1,200.
So yeah, 10-1 split. Yeah, so it's going to be $120. I would buy this at 95. I would buy this at, oh shit, this is a good short. Hold on, my bad. I'm tripping.
Oh yeah, that's good.
That might be a short. Yo, that's a short. Yo, that's a short. 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 That's a short.
I know, gain weight, rubbing his hands like Birdman. Gain weight. Rubs hands like bird, man.
He said, "Can we get much higher? Shorters never learn."
Can we get much higher?
Shorters never learn. Bears never learn, huh? Bears never learn. This a
They're
bull
still
market,
getting
baby.
crushed.
uh,
They might try 100. Give people a chance to get back in. They
yeah,
missed the boat.
I will wait for that $100 to $95 before getting in on this. I mean, like I said, you can like I mean, if like obviously this is not financial advice. You can do whatever the hell you want with your money, but I've just seen this shit play out so many times to where it's like, I mean, it happened with Tesla. I mean, people got in that Tesla and they was holding the bag at the top.
Can't wait to set it up. Yeah. Jeezy ad libs. Oh, I wonder what his group chat sounded like right now. I know they pissed.
No, he's kicked out the group chat. He's kicked out.
Kicked him off the chat.
They've been kicked his ass off the chat. It's like, no, you can be in our after the markets is over group chat, but during the markets, nobody trying to hear your bullish thesis. Nobody wants to hear that shit. Damn it. Mm.
Hey, I understand. I understand.
All right, so Smith, man, like I said, man, I've missed so many trade opportunities today. I don't know why I'm so off. I don't know what threw me off this
Oh,
morning, but it just threw me off.
yeah. Yeah, I'm about to send. I'm about to put the post of my charts in the Discord.
All right,
You can see entries and exits pre-market. And I don't. It was so obvious, but I don't know why I was trying to catch that short.
because we're bears, baby.
Sharp change, though, compared to the long opportunity. And I knew it. I knew that going in, but the bear in me just wanted to get that quick short.
Mm-hmm.
I thought they were going to take it down to 770, and then the bulls really come in. They took it to 777, somewhere around there, 77, 78,
Mm-hmm.
and then straight block. And I should have seen that. That should have been my cue, but the stubbornness in me. And then that, like I said, the 9 o'clock algo in Q dropped it like 50 points, 50 plus points, all the way down to 800.
Yeah.
799, somewhere around. I was like, yeah. I put because you was already in a position. I was already in my long position.
Mm-hmm.
But I put like a 15, 20 point trailing stop. That wouldn't have saved me anyway. So it stopped me out. And then right after that, I was like, all right, let me get in this long. Let me catch these longs. The best entry to re-enter long would have been at the previous pre-market high at around like 8:15 on NQ. That would have been the perfect entry to re-enter long.
All right. So where do you post your chart at? And charts not hard. So where do you post it at? General.
Yeah, I'm about to post it in charts, not hearts. If gotta bear with me because I started at around 7 o'clock. Yeah, 7. It's like 7:20 when I started. And the internet's intermittent. Oh, you gotta be kidding me! It went out a couple times. I kept having
did
to
it?
switch. I was like, no way! Don't do this to me. All right, let me get this.
Gangway says that they love them good old stubborn bears. Hey, yo. Hey, that is just so true. It just seems like majority of the bears I know, we're just all stubborn. It's like, God damn it, it's supposed to fall. Why is it not falling? And what do we do
Yeah.
when it's not falling? We scale it in, baby. We scale it in. This shit gonna
Yeah.
fall. God damn. Ooh. Okay. All right, man. Like I said, my feelings are hurt. My feelings are hurt. I'm gonna have to just probably come back in tomorrow, man. I missed too many good opportunities, and because of that, I might actually start to make shit up. Missed too many good opportunities, man. All
I posted it in charts, not hearts.
right, that's
You
good.
kind of like looking back, like, and I knew that was gonna happen too. I knew I was going. I went in with the mindset of catching longs,
Uh-huh.
but I saw this shit only would have been like maybe 35, 40 points, maybe at the most,
Uh-huh.
versus 200 I could have caught if I had just built a long position.
Mm. You see our boy, Smith said he fucked up early on. They almost had him in the first half, but he got it. They almost had him in the
Yeah,
first half.
yeah, right where your cursor is. That's where I was. That white candle going down. That's where I saw that short, and I was chasing. You can see my interest down there at the bottom. Triangles of my interest, and I was like, okay. Then I had to step away from the computer, set that stop loss, got clapped. I'm like, all right. Came back, I entered long. That algo clapped me out. Was not expecting. I thought it was gonna go up first and then kind of drop.
Mm-hmm.
Then going down, clear out that 800 level, and then once it came back up, which I should have been buying down there, but that was too crazy. Once it came back up and kind of calmed down, then that's how I built my long position. So you could see I cut it way too. I mean, I wasn't expecting no 930. I was expecting like 910 ish. But of course, yeah.
Yeah. And not Alfred, I did not fight the trend today.
Bull's gonna be regarded, so
Shit, if anything, I didn't take a good trade at the trend. I mean, again, this is a great short right here, man. This is a great freaking short. I just know it ain't gonna work. And that's what I hate. That's what I hate. It ain't gonna work. It ain't gonna work.
on any regular day, yeah. I wouldn't, man. I'd be buying dips today.
Mm-hmm.
I'd be buying or find reasonable, responsible levels to get in and build a position.
Yeah.
NQ is just how much are we up today on the day?
All right, so I'm gonna put this right here. I'm gonna put this at 34. Probably like 33.75. And I'm gonna put this at the all-time high, the follow-up. Man, it's probably gonna go to 45 or something, man. Uh, please tell us the key levels for today. Just because the past week trend on open. Yeah, so market edge, we missed it. All the levels I was calling out, those are the levels I was looking for, and I had three chances to take the opportunity, and I missed all of them. That first level that we talked about last night, damn it, this looks like a short. Damn it. You know what? Don't judge me. I'm taking. No, I can't do that.
Irrational. This it looks like a well, for NQ. Let me look at NQ. Looks like it's going about to form a bull flag, so
Thank you.
you can get caught lacking in these streets if you take that short. Build a long position here. Shoot,
Oh,
might as
shit.
well. What you got to lose? Or a few points lower. Build a long position. Shoot.
I mean, if price gets down to that 318, 315 level, then
Yeah.
I will actually try to take that long because I think the market is trying to get. I think it's trying to touch that all-time high. I think we're going to probably run that high, maybe, and possibly get to like 45 or something like that. So,
Higher time frames. I was looking
yeah.
at the higher time. So, like I said, I was looking to catch the longs, but I saw an opportunity for. Matter of fact, let me measure that. Let me measure it because I was already in short at like 805,
Mm-hmm.
18805 area, 18800,
Yeah.
somewhere around there. So I would have let me measure this to see. Oh my gosh, it only would have been 22 points. I 22 points versus if I'd have just built my long position,
Hmm.
I could have caught. I'm not even gonna count the highs because I know I would have got out at 900. I could have caught 110 points.
Mhm.
But I wanted 22 on the short side.
Hey man, hey. You were just speaking. It makes perfect sense. That's how it is. It ain't easy being a bear in these bull streets. That's just how it is.
True, bro. True.
It ain't easy.
My plan was to go in, catch that that quick short, and then build my long position at the bottom. That was
Hmm.
my plan. But I missed the short. Actually, I was in it, but I closed it early because I didn't like. I felt that the bulls were going to come in where my entry was at,
Hmm.
and then it started dropping. And that got me to chasing. Y'all saw my entries at the bottom at the bottom of that 22-point short I was looking at,
Hmm.
and then I let it go. I let it go way too much against me. I should have been smart, got out, and then went long. But it is what it is. That's how it played out.
I want to see if they run this high on the ES at 331 because, mind you, this is a great area to short. It's a great area to short, but these regarded bulls ain't gonna let that happen. They ain't gonna let it happen.
Oh nah, heck no, they're not. Yeah, this 5 minute chart is looking like a straight flag. They about to push the second leg up. They gonna push it. They're gonna push that second leg up at some point.
I think so too. That's why I really want to get in long, but obviously the risk reward it has to make sense. So I mean the way I'm looking at it, we got that consolidation at 320. Uh you got that consolidation at 320. I mean you could get in at 320, but a safer entry would be at 318, 315, somewhere in that area. But and that's the crazy thing. In order for that to work, this short has to work, and that's dude. ugh. Hmm. In order for price to get down here, obviously the bears have to come back in, take control. So this is what I'll do, man. VWAP's here at 18. That'll be a 10-point drop from here to here. Mm. My short senses are tingling. Okay, so I don't think the market drops. I don't think it drops. We might get a pullback. we can possibly get it down to 18 because I'll be 10 points away from right here. However, this is what's making this a very difficult decision. Yes, we're in a bullish environment. That is definitely true. However, what we don't want to do is become blind to structure just because of all this bullish euphoria. And the way that these bulls have just been behaving, yeah, they've been letting the market pull back just for them to dip buy, regardless of if they're trading into structure or not. I mean, you can see that people are selling. People are trying to sell this thing, but I mean, like I said, I just know that it's highly unlikely to work. Now, look at this structure right here. We got to run it this high. You can see that the bulls are trying to take it up. They pushed it. Actually, let me expand this real quick. And this is why this is looking like a short to me. I mean, honestly, this can be a high reward, low risk trade if I were to choose to take it, because we got this. Obviously, we ran this high for liquidity. And right now, from this area, the bulls are having a hard time pushing it past it right now. So if the bulls are not successful in running these stops going higher, it's going to run the stops going lower. However, there is this area of support. And this area will be a great area for the bulls to come right back in. So they can do this, and they can definitely do that. And you can have your risk very low. You can just put your stop underneath this low. You can have this much risk for that much reward. So this will obviously be the better trade. Now, since the bulls are completely regarded, they think they should buy up here. And this is what makes bearish price action more difficult than it should be, because these bulls are buying up here and versus buying down here. So that's why I will always hesitate to take shorts unless I see something on the charts. I see some confirmation. Because yeah, these shorts, they ain't working for real. Okay. Yeah, they did that, and so they ran that high. Yo, congratulations, man. Congratulations, MP3. You say you hunting bears gain weight? And this is why I hesitate to take bearish price action. This is why I hesitate. Because these bulls don't even care. All right, so yeah, we missed a great trade. So if we stayed in this would have been a 20-point play so far. 20 points, about 20. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. So let's see if the NQ is trying to get back into this area right here. Let's see if it's trying to get back to 891. Let's actually look at that on the chart. Let me look at that real quick. I move away from the Nasdaq, and she makes the moves that I dreamed about when I was trading her. 300-point moves in one day. Freaking swear, man. All right, so no, we want to see this bigger move. You know what I'm saying? See what that's looking like. Hmm. All right, so 936. I don't even know why I did that right there. That don't even make no sense. That makes no sense. And that's the NQ as well. Yeah, there'll always be another trade. Okay. See? All right, so it hit that 34 level on the ES. It hit that 34 level. Hmm. Huh. Huh. All right, so the NQ can possibly get into that 970 to 960 level. 960 to 970. So this is what I'm going to be looking for with the NQ. You know, you got to front run her. You know, she likes to play that. So let's see what she does in this area right here. Let's see what she does. Let's see. But ES has tapped into that level. ES has tapped into it. What makes this what makes this? Oh crap! I was like, what the hell? Like what the? I thought something blew up. It tapped into that 35 level, but we may not. Hmm. 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 Yeah, I'm probably not going to take a trade today. I'm not going to take a trade. Obviously, I'm not. For some reason, I'm just completely off. I'll just keep calling them out. C levels that I'm looking at. However, I just not. My execution is off today. I have no clue why, but it is. All right, so.
All right, can y'all hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. Did I hear you say you're not? I told you to build that long position. Me and Alfred told you.
Dude, I'm not. Dude, this is not the NQ. This is not the NQ. I mean, even if I was in here, right here at 28, I will only be at 5 points right now. Now, I mean, this could continue to go up. I mean, it could.
This, bro, it's gonna continue to go. That ain't no could. You know it's gonna continue to pop. You probably could get 340 or something.
I'm actually looking to go short around like 344 because I think 345 might be that level. Actually, I want to see what they do here at 39. I think 39. So actually, I'm just gonna do that. I'm doing it.
Man,
I'm
NQ about
doing
to
it.
get back to 19K. This is wild.
I'm doing it, man. I'm gonna do it. I'm doing it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it at 38, just to front run that, and then 38. And I'm gonna put my second target at 35. Because you know what, God damn it, we getting something today. We taking a trade today, God damn it.
Dude, we told you to build that position down there.
Where? Well, no, well, okay. So you talk about like right here, right at 28?
Prices at like 24 through 27.
Nah. So I mean, this was the trade that I missed. So, um, the crazy thing is, I had my limit at 310, and then I moved it down to 307 for some crazy ass reason because I thought that price was going to tap it like right here and then move up, but I missed that entry at 310. I would never take a trade at 324 ever. Even, I mean, I wouldn't do it. I would never recommend ever building a habit like that. Ever,
Yeah.
ever. Because it'll work now, but it's not going to work in the long run. And I'm not going to build that habit in the long run. I'm just not.
I'm proud of you. That's yep. Keep those emotions in check. You missed
But I
it. It's
think
okay.
35, yeah, I think I missed it. Okay. All right. So I've called out all these trades. I'm not trusting them for some reason, and they're working. So obviously something happened between yesterday's stream, the NA meeting, and this stream to where my execution is like, nah, I'm taking a vacation today. I don't want to execute today. But you can keep calling them out though. Hmm. Look at that. Look at that. Mm.
And it's
So,
crazy that my mindset going in, like I said, I'm looking for longs because I knew Bears are going to be weak. I knew the Bulls would not. One thing, 122 points short getting my way versus like 180 points I could have caught or whatever.
mhm.
It's just crazy. Now I know for next time,
Yeah.
go long.
I mean, dude, it's like, I ain't gonna lie, that's hard. That's hard. That's like cursing at me. It's like saying "F you, sure." That when someone says go long, that's all I hear. It's like, no, I want to short it, baby.
Nah, but I mean, you gotta. I mean, I understand, but you
Yeah.
gotta take into fact the circumstances and what's
Mhm.
going on in the market right now.
Yeah, the market is
Nvidia
completely
and their
regarded.
stocks. Yeah, the news. What do we have? We had I think it was at like 7:15.
Hmm.
Was it 80? Let me check back. Let me look. It was. What's that thing at? Non-farm employment change. That was at 7:15, and that really was. It was kind of lackluster. Or actually, no. It was. Let me look at the other chart and measure it. 15 NQ. Let's see. Right here. It's 15 points. 15-point candle on NQ. But I let that, yeah, I think that's what it was. And that's why I started chasing.
Mm.
But I should have known. And I thought, man, 7 more points. I thought they were going to come in at, or 78 more points. I thought they were going to come in at 770, and I was going to go long down. But we never touched. Dang. But I should have known. That's on me.
Yeah. All right, let's see. Nasdaq is tapping into that golden zone that I drew out. This will be the next level that I'm looking at from 960 to about that 995. Yeah, next level. So let's see if the Nasdaq will trade through it. I mean, obviously the market is looking like it's trying to retest this all-time high. It's hard to believe that they retest all-time high Oh, this is the Nasdaq. Never mind. Never mind. I'm thinking about it. This is the ES. Never mind. This is Nasdaq. But this is the next level that I'm looking at to see if the bears come in here on the Nasdaq. Right now, it does look like the bears are trying to do a little bit of something on the ES. However, like I said, I don't think this is going to be successful. I would rather take a safer trade here at this high. I would take this trade at this high. Actually, I'll probably put this
The
like right here.
Bulls will not be stopped today on Q. Even if it gets a pullback, it's gonna get bought right back up.
Yeah. It's going to definitely get bought back up.
That is how I'm feeling today. Approaching 960 here. Hella liquidity there. Take some profit off at 960.
Damn.
You can. So what you can do if you really feel like there's going to be a short, you can wait for that opportunity. It might not, the time frames that they come in. Usually around like, I would say, watch out for like 11 o'clock, but yeah, it's usually been like around 12 or so. This is just unstoppable.
Yeah, this.
Fact, I wish I still holding.
I wish I got in. That's the one thing. I wish I got in. I wish I got in this damn thing. But I want to see what it does at this high at 39. I do want to see what it does here because I just don't feel like we should be trading above this high. I know that's emotional response, but I just feel like we don't trade above this high. The reason why is because, like I said, the bears that has shorted at 339, obviously they're going to want to protect their positions. But obviously, I'm pretty sure most of them got out here at this 200 level. I mean, if you don't get out here, shit, how much do you want? However, damn, man, I'm sorry, guys. I apologize. My bad. I mean, we could have at least got this. At least got this one, man. Man, damn. Ugh.
Thank you is shipping.
All right, so let's see.
See, that would have been a good play after. I mean, well.
Like I said, yeah. Like I mean, obviously it works. It's working now. I mean, like I'm not ever going to say that or not say that it's not working because it's definitely working now.
But I'm saying just because of the circumstances, you would have probably had like a 99% chance
of it working.
That, yeah. Look, rewind the tape like 10, 15 minutes ago, whatever. I was like, it's probably gonna get to 9 or 340. That's 340.
Yeah, so we at this high. We are at this high. I'm not gonna lie. I want to take it. I want to take this short. And I can definitely see. Oh, go ahead.
I was just saying, 19K is right around the corner on NQ. But I get it. I know, I totally get it. You're probably emotions. You don't want the emotions to get hijacked and then go tilt. That's it. I think missing a move is almost as bad as
not losing. Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Especially when you call it out.
Especially when you call it out. Especially when you set a limit and move it because you didn't think it was going to work. Yo. Not gonna lie, that hurt my feelings. It hurt my feelings. It hurt my feelings. Okay. So if it can tap into, because there's a point of control at 42. This point of control at 42. 43 might be that level though. Because I'm thinking that the market's trying to touch 45 at least. Mm.
What you mean, Gangway? I caught the longs. I just closed my position too early. I left. Dang, I left a whole 70 something points on the table.
Yeah.
But we did. I mean, yeah. We don't want to make bad habits.
Yeah. I mean, like I said, I'm not going to do certain things. I know it's going to work. I get it. I know what kind of environment we're in. I just don't want to start creating a habit because there are things that I will sit here and do and not even know why I did it. Because it's a habit.
Mad crazy.
Yeah, I know. You're like, isn't that crazy?
Yeah. Yeah, no, I got you. I agree. But that chart, when you zoomed out, that mess looked mad crazy. Even for ES standards.
Yeah. I know.
He was looking even crazier, straight up.
All right, so ES tapped into a previous area of supply. Huh. This is what's you know what, man? You know what? So where did we get to? We got to 40. We got to 42. We got to 42. I think I might have missed it. 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 And you can see that the bears are trying to come in here in my golden zone on the NQ. I think I might have missed it. I think I missed it. I think I just freaking missed it. I think I missed it. All right. I'm not going to take a trade today, guys. I'm not going to take a trade. I'm not taking it because I'm going to go tilt. And I already know it. I'm already halfway tilt right now. I'm already halfway tilt. Okay. I'm not taking a trade. Mm. Mm. Huh. So I guess that would be a good long opportunity. So I mean, if price does get back to 325, 326, I can see that as a long opportunity. I can see that. I can see that. 336. Let's see some previous areas of support or resistance. So 324, yeah, I can see 324. I can see that. 324. Hmm. All right. All right. So yeah. It says his talking points. Mm. Huh. All right. So I think 45 might be that level, but you know what? This is what I'm going to do with this. This is what I'm going to do. because I know that eventually there's going to be a pullback somewhere. And I remember this 48 level previously. Hmm. You know what? That's what I'll do. $44, getting at 49. And if price reaches 54, which I doubt that the Bears will do that today, then I'll stop out of this position. I think that's how I'm going to play this. Because it'll be absolutely crazy if the market gets to 54 today. I mean, it won't be a surprise, but it'll be absolutely crazy. But what I will do is if I do see because it bounce it off of that. But then they might. Huh. Hmm. So let me really look at this. So they got it to 41. I was looking at 42. I feel like I should take this short. I really feel I should take this short right here. Hmm. Hmm. All right. All right, that tears it. That tears it. Like I said, obviously my execution is off today. It's off. It is definitely off today. It's definitely off. Yeah. All right. So I'm not taking a trade today. I mean, let's see if the market can bounce here off this 21 EMA. We can see if the bulls can find support here. Because what I'm looking at on the higher time frame chart right now, and the reason why I'm just so, I mean, this is what I'm looking at because again, I mean, we don't want to get blinded by bullish euphoria because the market still has to do certain things in order for the bulls to be successful. I mean, we do got this level right here. We can see that the market traded above it, sweeping the liquidity above this level. we have to be mindful that the market made this massive move down from this level. We can't ignore that. Even though the market has traded its way back into this area, you got to think that there was enough bears here to knock the market down like this. And I would highly doubt that everybody got their positions filled at this level. That's what makes this level, at least for me, very wishy-washy. I wouldn't long. Obviously, if you're holding a position, that's one thing. I wouldn't take new positions near this long because of all this strength that went down like this. I can at least expect this kind of going back, making a halfway retracement. I can expect this possibly getting back down to that 295 level I was looking at yesterday. 295, that would make sense to me. That would make sense to me. But we'll see. So, I mean, I guess price could tap into these higher areas right here. I mean, there will still be liquidity up here. So there is a possibility for price to tap into these higher levels. I would highly doubt that the ES would tap this today. I feel like this would be something that would happen on non-farm payroll if we get something like that. But for the most part, I feel like we still got business here. And we still have business here in this 45 to 50 range up here. So we still have business here. So we still have business up here. But I would highly doubt we touching this. I highly doubt this. I would highly doubt it. I wouldn't be surprised, but I highly doubt it. Especially without any major news. Because with all the buying that would be needed to even touch that level, I mean, price without no pullback would have to do this. Would have to trade through this range. We have to trade through all this resistance, which, I mean, like I said, the bulls have been easily doing that. So it wouldn't be a surprise. And then it would have to tap here. Now, I would expect for if the market does tap this level to get like a small sweep, and we can get a massive move down from there. Or at least a retracement down. I can expect that. I can see that. But right now, the bulls are in control. So we do have to respect their momentum until they exhaust themselves. It does appear that they're somewhat exhausting themselves here at this level. But only time will tell. Because I'm pretty sure the bears that are shorting this right here, if they don't come with it, the stocks will be used as fuel to push this market up higher. Yeah. At like 40, 48. So they got this move down at 47. They got this move up. They straight traded through it. They came back here at 41. Like they literally came back at this high right here. They literally came back at this high. Hmm. So if they run this high, okay. All right. All right. So I'm gonna keep my position the way it is. I'm gonna keep it the way it is. 47. I mean, I highly doubt that this gets touched. Honestly, I highly doubt that I'll get filled on this. But if the Bulls do come in, and I think 47 will be a great risk reward trade. I think this will be a great risk reward trade because I highly doubt they get up here. I mean, we may get a run of these highs at 49. If they get up here to 50, which I doubt. I mean, we've got our second limit, our scaling right here. And I would highly doubt for them to get up here to stop us out. And so this is how I'm going to play this position. And we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens with this one. But I've missed. Yeah. Okay. This is Bulls helped short that area. Yeah. You say you got out too early out of your long? I mean, you can see that the Bulls are starting to exhaust themselves in this area. I mean, the NQ is crazy, but that bitch ain't that crazy. She's not that crazy. Now, I'm not saying that she can't keep going higher, but you can see that there are exhausting here in this level. I mean, obviously, it can keep going. It can definitely keep going. We can definitely see them take out this high or at least try to retest it. But 19K might be that level where they come in and try to short this thing to hell. Because when the market is trending up, it usually is trying to get somewhere. You just got to determine where it's trying to get to. All right, so I mean, what's happening tomorrow? I mean, we got jobless claims, but honestly, the ADP would overshadow jobless claims. Yeah, we really don't even have anything going into tomorrow for real. We really don't have any major news going in. We have no Fed speakers. Yeah, we don't have anything going in tomorrow. Don't have nothing. All right, 45. Hmm. It says take profit orders above those highs. Hmm. Hey, Gateway, where are you seeing that information at? I think I meant to ask you that because I know a lot of people use a different order flow tools. If you don't mind sharing, what platform are you using to see the orders, or are you looking at Bookmap? Or are you using a footprint chart? I know footprint charts are really good with the ES. Damn. Damn. Sounds a secret. Okay. So there's a wall of orders here at 45. I mean, they've already broken this high. Hmm. Oof. Hmm. I mean, yeah, why not? Shoot, at this point, these gotta be turned green because they're not red no more. All right, so let's look in Q. So where's Smith? He's probably muted right now. He's probably doing something. You gotta remember that. He's working. Uh, uh, mm. Hmm. Well, game weight, there's really nothing that's happening right now. The market is definitely grinding its way up on both instruments. It's not too much excitement, I guess. I'm not anticipating a short. I'm just looking for a short opportunity. Obviously, I can't get in this long. I obviously can't get in this long right now. I obviously cannot get in this long, so the next thing to do is look for a short. That's the only thing I can do at this point. I mean, my opportunity to get in this long was down here. Yeah, I should have just took it. Should have just took it. Should have just took it. Should have, would have, could have, just took it. Yeah, I'm starting to see a trend in that. I'm starting to see that as a trend. Says, can we get much higher? I mean, we'll see. We will see. We will see. I mean, like I said, I would not be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised. However, we're just gonna have to see. The market can get very dangerous once it starts to grind back and forth. So I guess the question is, Ganway, where do you see the market going today? Not your 20K target, but where you see the market going? I do see that people are trying to buy here at this 21 EMA right here. I do see people are trying to buy it here. If price pulls back to 36. $360? No way. There's no way. It's not getting a 360. Not today. Not today. Like, dude, I keep saying I won't be surprised, but it's too much resistance at 45 to 50. It's too much resistance there. Or at least it should be. It should be. 360? Well, Alfred, you're saying inverse the Sherm, but I haven't put on a position, nor have I put out a bias. I was trying to get in long. So if you inverse me trying to get in long and got short, that's when your inverse would have worked. But I was trying to get in long. I just missed my opportunity. I was definitely trying to get in long today. But right now I'm looking for a short opportunity because I missed the long. But you're saying that you're looking for a break of high on SPY, which okay. No way, dude. We're not getting above this high. There's no way we're getting above this high. We got a previous month's high here at 32. Previous month high at 32, 33-ish. I wonder if 45 is going to be that level. Like I said, I'm not going to take a trade today. Obviously, I've missed all the great opportunities, all the trading opportunities. I missed them. I didn't execute on them, so I'm not going to trade today. I mean, if price gets to 47, I'll take it short there. I doubt it that I'll even get there. But if it does, the risk reward on that trade is definitely great. Honestly, I think 45 actually might be that level to go short, in my opinion. But I think everybody else is going to be thinking the same. So I think that might get stop ran, and 47 would be a better area to go short. And then I have that 47 level on my chart anyway as a previous high on, I forgot what day it was. Actually, I'm not going to look. But 47.50 was a high 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. About 11 days ago. So if it gets there, then that's fine. I don't mind taking a short there. I think that's a great short opportunity right there. But Alfred, I don't know, man. You got previous day high here at 33. If you're trying to go for 34, you might be left holding the bag if you don't close it. All right, guys, I'm about to go to this meeting real quick. He says the high is $2 away. All right. I mean, hey, all I can do is tell you what the charts are telling me. That's all I can do. That's all I can do. That's all I can do. All I'm saying is that that's highly unlikely for a price to touch up here. Because, I mean, yeah, you thinking about that. Yeah, it's only $2 away, but you got to remember that there's people in this position that's in this for the long term. They're going to try to stop you at it before you get here. Okay. Okay. I don't know why that did not show up on my screen and why I did all that. But yeah, I think 45 might have been that level, and I think I missed another trade. It's all right. Like I said, I'll put all this in my journal, and we'll just come back tomorrow, man, and we'll just have better execution tomorrow. Give me a second. Mm. Mm. All right, make sure I hug up on. All right, so I guess 45 so far has been that level on the ES. Let's look at what's happening on the NQ. So we are seeing some resistance here in this area. Let's look at Alfred Spies. Let's actually look at the 15-minute and see what's going on. Yeah, dude. I mean, you can do whatever you want with your money. But I guess I would just find it hard to believe that the market would allow price to trade into this area and take out the people that had enough position size to push this market down like this. This is not retail at this level. This is an institution at this level. So I would highly doubt that they will allow price to take them out right here. Now, you could argue that, yeah, this move down was definitely a great area for them to take profits. And honestly, most of them did, because we got this area right here. However, I'm pretty sure this would be a great area right here for them to reload and take price going down. But I mean, we do have non-farm payroll on Friday. We do have FOMC next week. I would find it hard to believe that the market will put that much capital at risk, especially here at the top, to keep pushing this market higher, knowing that we got Powell next week, CPI next week. We have non-farm payroll on Friday. It's just hard to believe that people put money like that in the capital that would completely erase all this supply just to take out a high. But at the same time, they kind of already been doing it already. So, and you can see, yeah, they got this stop run right here. So yeah, this 331 level on SPY will definitely have to be support in order for the bulls. Hmm. You said, what's my point? My point is that, well, I guess I just explained my point. I just explained it. It would just be highly unlikely for that to happen. But it could happen. But it would just be highly unlikely for it to happen. Um, And I think that's not right there. All right. You can see that we're getting a turn. We're starting to get some exhaustion from the bulls. Starting to get some exhaustion here. Hmm. Hmm. So let's see. At least on this tick chart. Oh, this is the. Okay. Hmm. So we got the 21 sitting here at 941 on the 50K tick or the 50 tick chart. On the hourly chart, we have the 21 all the way down here. And we got VWAP at 838. 838. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know, man. I definitely got to put that. I definitely got to write about that. I mean, guys, I'm not gonna go tilt. So, I mean, I'm not gonna. I'm not. I don't think I'm going to trade until I might take a trade pre-market after the London Open, but I'm not going to take a trade today because we miss miss a lot of good trading opportunities, and emotionally, I already feel myself halfway tilt. If I take a trade, then that can be a gateway to blowing an account, and I'm not going to do that. Mistakes I made. I mean, shit. Today I made. Man, I missed about four. What that first trade at 28. I mean, dang, I made a lot of executional errors today. I gotta put that in my journal. But I guess I'm just not gonna go tilt. I mean, I missed this one at 28 when I saw it. So that's one good trade. That could have been the start of the day. All of our targets would have got hit on this one. Um, I was looking at this one right here, but it happened so fast that I wasn't able to get into this trade, and I would have got in around 309 to be fair. 309. I mean, that was like a 10-point trade, but honestly, our first target would have got hit. We would have got this pullback, and then the rest of our targets would have got hit. So we missed this trade. This follow-up trade, I had my target here at 310. I don't know why I moved it. I thought that the market was going to at least retest it here. So I moved it then to 805, $2 down, just for it to only go $1 down and get this massive move. So that's the third trade. Yeah, so I missed three opportunities today so far. But like I said, I'm not going to probably trade. And it does appear that this 45 level, it got to 44.50. So right now it looks like it's working, but who knows? I will get in at 47 though. I've already shown why. If price gets into this level, I do think that this was where we'll see a rejection. If it does, I am willing to scale in at 53. I doubt that it'll even get this high. And I really doubt that price gets to 57 to stop me out. I highly doubt that this happens today. Not after a massive move from. Yeah, price started all the way down here. I highly doubt that it makes a move like this in one day. I highly doubt it, but I guess it can happen.
Connection lost.
MFF. I've never had connection issues until I started trading on MFF. But anyway, on NinjaTrader 8. So about 3 trades, we called them out, but I didn't execute on them. So okay. Reinforcing myself, acknowledging that I'm hmm. All right. So uh, that's how we're into today. That's how we're into today. Hopefully, you guys were able to execute on these trades. Unfortunately, my analysis was on point. However, my execution was not. And in order to be a great trader, your analysis and execution have to be on point, or it doesn't fucking matter. At least for me, I like to be hard on myself when it comes to things like that because in my world, there's no excuse for not performing. At least for me. I will acknowledge that my execution was bad today. However, there's no excuse for that. So I'm going to take this hard because, like I said, I'm a very competitive person. And I don't like things like that. I just don't. So I'm going to step away from the screen. I'm going to reevaluate the charts. We're going to come back strong during the NA meeting later on tonight. We're going to continue to plan winning trades, and we'll move from there. We will move from there. Katie, yeah, I don't expect this to not go up, honestly. I don't expect it. Or I'm sorry, I wouldn't be surprised if it does continue to trade higher. But right now, I'm looking for a pullback. Now, if we get a decent pullback, I can see price trading higher for sure. But just a straight move up, yeah, just a straight move up. And like I said, I kind of hate days where the price action is just erratic like this. But we have no control of the market. We can only trade it. So that's all we can do at this point. That's all we can do is trade it. Don't get caught in the bullphoria. Please don't get caught in the bullphoria. Yeah, the market is trending higher. However, price has traded into a higher time frame supply area. So just be mindful. I mean, we may get price to shoot up, but what's more likely is that the bears that's in this area push price down, and then we can get that move back up, that end of day rally that we've been getting for 3 days straight, 3 sessions straight. So just be mindful. Don't build positions here at the top, because you may likely become a liquidity donation to the market. So just be mindful of that. But all right, guys, that's all I have. We'll do this again at 6:30, and we'll make some more money. Peace out.